Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen brightness in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Guys, there are several easy ways to change your screen brightness and I will walk you through all of them step by step. Method 1. Click on the Windows Start button and type brightness. From the search result, click on Change Brightness Level and you will see a display setting window will open. Here you can increase or decrease your screen brightness by moving the brightness slider left or right. Method 2. Go to System tray on the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Notification or Message icon. Next, click on Expand. You will see a brightness slider that lets you adjust the brightness up or down or left or right instantly. Method 3. You can also adjust your brightness using your keyboard. Simply hold down the FN key and press the brightness increase and decrease key according to your manufacturing device. And that's it. Adjust your screen brightness in Windows is simple and easy to do. If you found this video is helpful, please like that video and subscribe my channel to get more update video. Thanks for watching.